navigators. It seems our portal has opened up in the kitchen today, and Mr. C's already hard at work. Let's see what he's up to. Hey, Mr. C.
Hey, Miss Costa. My friend sent me this recipe for snickerdoodles, but it doesn't make any sense.
Well, what about it doesn't make any sense?
Everything. I mean, first of all, I've got all my cups and spoons out here.
Sure do.
But the recipe doesn't use any of them.
Oh.
It wants me to use something called grams, and I have nothing here that tells me how many grams I'm putting in.
Here, let me see. Oh, it seems like your friend might be a serious baker.
What you talking about?
Many people who bake for fun, like you are now, will use measuring cups and spoons to get their ingredients.
That's how you bake.
But people who do a lot of baking and professional bakers, they won't use these. They know that if you want your cookies to come out the exact same each and every time, you have to measure your ingredients out by weight.
Huh.
You see, baking is actually a form of science, of chemistry, and only by weighing your ingredients can you make absolute sure that you're putting in the exact perfect amount to make the chemical reactions happen in the right way. If you don't, your cookies will come out flat and crunchy when you thought they would come out fluffy and soft.
I don't know about all that. I mean, can it really make that big a difference?
That's a good point. We'll test it. Here, I'll take a measuring cup, and here's one for you.
I want the purple.
Okay.
Thanks.
Let's each get 1 cup of flour.
Okay. I hope you washed your hands.
Of course, of course.
Okay, now what?
Okay, now we'll compare them using this balance scale.
All right.
All right, I'll put mine on this side.
Huh?
See how mine is heavier than yours? It's because I was able to put more flour in my 1 cup than you put in your 1 cup.
But they're both 1 cup.
They are, but we can fit different amounts of flour in there. So if we made these cookies and followed this exact same recipe, just based on this, our cookies would come out differently.
Well, you've got a good point.
So instead of using measuring cups and measuring spoons, the right way to do it is to use a kitchen scale so you can measure your ingredients by weight.
Huh. Wait a second. I don't see any grams on here.
Well, you see that kg next to the 0?
Yeah.
It stands for kilograms. And in 1 kilogram, there are 1,000 grams. So, there are little numbers kind of going around.
Yeah, I see those.
You see the 250, the 500, the 750. Those stand for the grams. So, you can use this to measure in grams.
Okay, that solves one problem. But there's another problem. Take a look at this. It seems to be written in some kind of weird code.
Oh, your friend is very tricky.
Right? I mean, come on.
He used a mathematical puzzle to describe how much of each ingredient you need. I wonder if he was trying to keep this a secret.
I mean, he did say something about a secret recipe. Math teachers. Hey, I've got an idea. Navigators, you could help me figure this out.
The snickerdoodle recipe that Mr. C is trying to follow is in the Seeking the Peak resources down below. Can you solve the code and help Mr. C bake these cookies?
Come on, Navigators. I'm hungry.